Daniel Supreme Auto Glass. Yeah, this is the WRD BAT QC. So the kit comes with the bat, an anchor, some wire, the poker, everything really, some shields. So we're gonna show you how to set it up. So here we have this plunger that we put into this cord, and then we put this little lock so it doesn't fall out. So you're gonna get your bat, your spear. So here you put your suction cup, and that allows the roll to spin freely. You get your cord and put it there in the middle, and then you're just gonna make an incision here. Just find the spot where there's no retainer or molding, and then you can push it through. Take out the spear, and the kit comes with a little hook, so you're able to pull out the cord. Here I'm gonna tie the. So you're gonna get the one that's not attached to the roll, and you're gonna put it in the left ear, this ear. So here you're gonna make a loop and put it inside this loop there, and then you can pull this one, and it's not gonna come off the roll. And the one that's attached to the bat is the one that's gonna go here in the driver's side. So the line's gonna go underneath the glass, in between the molding. Sometimes the line gets stuck in between the layer in the middle, and when it starts cutting through there, it's gonna snap the wire. And then here we get underneath all of the stops. Make sure we're not caught on any metals or the wipers. Just make sure this is all nice and neat, tucked away underneath the retainer as well. And then you can pull the line with the roll. So here we're gonna measure with our shield how far to anchor the bat. So from there, you can put it right here, and make sure that the left ear is as close to the headliner as possible to give it the most action, the most angle available to cut. This tab, you can pull it, and then you can push it in, and it requires a lot less pumps. Whereas if you just hit it and then pump it, it takes a lot longer. So just pull the tab, press, and it's done. From here, we're gonna go to the left ear, twist to the right, and give it some line. And then with the one from the roll, we're just gonna measure until the other edge, and then we're gonna make a cut here. And now this one, you can tie on here. Okay, now this you're just gonna reel it up so it's not dangling, and now we can anchor on the right ear, start slicing. can put your shield, make sure it's in the corner so it doesn't go in between the pillar and the headliner. And you stop right there when it's touching the headliner. Now for the bottom, we have these large shields. We have this one for the corners and this one for the headliner. So lots of sizes. So here we put the last shield. So you pull the tab, line comes out, and then you can take this off. And you just put it back together. So now here the bat, we're gonna remove from this side and put it all the way across to this side. Pull the tab, pump it, lock on the right ear, and we're gonna go from the top. So shield, and just start going slow. Stop right there when it gets close to the headliner, to the A-pillar I mean. U-bit. And then from the bottom, you go to the left. Once you pass the crease for the A-pillar and the dashboard, you can remove it. You twist it to the left or counterclockwise, and then we just pump it up again. So it should look something like this. The bottom line is on the right ear, and this one is on the left ear, and the wire goes on top. We put the lock on the left ear, we go to the right, to the left. So if for whatever reason it starts to slip, sometimes people smoke in the cars, or you know, they put their feet greasy or sweaty. So we just got an alcohol wipe, or if you just have like alcohol in the bottle, just put on the paper towel and just clean it real quick. Clean the cup, just clean the glass, and just reapply. So then lock on the left, twist the right. And then do your final cut. And that's it.